Hey, it's Jack from Impulse. Today we're going to be working on more temperature mode features. We're going to be doing a lemon cream tart for you. What's exciting about this recipe is that we don't need a double boiler for this. You'll see a double boiler in a lot of recipes, a lot of desserts, holding chocolate at temperature. That's what sort of amazes our users about Impulse, is that, with temperature control, you're able to remove that double boiler and having to really stay on top of certain recipes. We are going to get started with a 3-ply stainless steel saucepan, and I'm going to be in temperature mode and set my temperature to 180 degrees. From there, once we get to temperature, I'm going to start putting in all of my ingredients and immediately go for a vigorous whisk. Ingredients for this recipe are 150 milliliters of lemon juice, 225 grams or 1 cup of cool unsalted butter, 3 large eggs and 1 large egg yolk, 175 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, and just start whisking away. We are aiming to hit an internal temperature of 180. What's really exciting is that normally this recipe can take up to 20 minutes of whisking on a standard gas cooktop. On Impulse, I think we nailed this in under 3 minutes. We'll have to check the footage afterwards, but again, you're seeing the power and precision of Impulse at work, and just sort of the mind-blowing speed and control that you're gonna have over traditional cooking appliances. Fantastic. Once we have come to temp, take your probe out. You're gonna have your prepared pie crust, place it down, and you're going to pour the entire contents into your pie. Again, remember, I am not a trained pastry chef. This is showing that the Impulse with unmatched temperature control can turn anybody into an expert. Now that that's done, I'm gonna throw it in the fridge. We'll let that cool, and we'll do some whipped cream top. For our whipped cream, no Impulse is required, but I'm gonna take a cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 teaspoons of white granulated sugar. On the Impulse, we are gonna blend it. Blending until you find those nice, fluffy, stiff peaks. Taste test. Oh boy. Oh, I am excited for this pie. This is always the best part. Taste testing. Oh, ready for this? Deconstructed pie. Oh! Impulse can't do any wrong.
Hey, Jack? Jack? Thanks, Jack.